In this video, I will show you how to change the number of beds on Airbnb. It is fairly easy when you try and do this from Airbnb website, but I would recommend do not try and do this from their phone app because Airbnb app is not very well designed for complicated setups like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb website, just click on to switch to hosting. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Then click on menu and then choose the listing. That will display the listing which you have. Just click on the listing name. Now, by default, the first tab that will open is the listing details tab. You can scroll down. The first thing is number of guests. So if you're planning to change the beds, you may want to change the number of guests as well. This is where you can do that. And you can change this number to any value. Airbnb does not try and match it with the number of beds you have defined. So that was just for your information. To change the number of beds, we just keep scrolling down. And towards the bottom in the property and rooms section, you will see rooms and spaces. Just click on edit here. This will display all the rooms and spaces you have defined for your property. If you're adding a new room to your property or removing one, you can just click on edit rooms and spaces. You can increase or decrease the rooms here. Now, when it comes to bed sizes, once you have defined the rooms, you will need to click on individual rooms in this list. And this is where you will see the sleeping arrangement. If you're adding a new bed, you can just simply click on edit and you can add another bed. Or if you're just removing this bed and adding a sofa bed and all those combinations, you can do. You can simply go to each room you have defined here and alter the bed type in there, if that's what you want to do. Remember, the bed option will only appear in bedrooms and the living room because it's quite common for people to have a sofa bed in the living room. But you won't see the bed sizes under dining room or the kitchen or exterior options. Once you're all done, just click on done at the bottom of this page, and that will change the number of beds that are displayed to users on your listing. For example, let me show you. The beds we have defined in that section are displayed here. This is where people can see how many bedrooms do you have and how many beds do you have. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something. I would also like to highlight I've recently launched my Airbnb hosting training program. It is called No Nonsense Airbnb. I will drop a link in the description below if that is something which you are looking for. It is a no-nonsense way of learning how to manage an Airbnb without the stress and overwhelm. Until next time, bye-bye.